What's going on?
Oh, it's early.
Good morning. And yes, it is a good morning. Why is it a good morning, Caleb?
And we're going on a musky fishing charter.
Yep, you heard that right. We are going with Aaron from Churning Waters Guide Service. He makes his own baits. Plus, he guides out here at West Branch. We made these plans, what, 3 months ago?
3 or 4 months ago,
Yeah.
I would say.
So, and since we were camping out here and was going to take a couple extra days, we are going on a musky charter today.
Oh,
The sun is coming in real good, but I have no idea how we're going to fish for them today, if we're going to jig, if we're going to cast, if we're going to troll. It's going to be one of those three, but hope to learn a lot.
Hopefully it's not casting all day. Because with that big giant Tranix, I can't do nothing.
Alright. Well, we are here waiting for him to get here. It's 7:21 in the morning, and apparently Caleb gets the fish till 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then Isaac comes on board around that time and we'll fish till dark. So this is going to be a long day of fishing, but hopefully we put some fish in the boat, and I want to bring that to you. So we'll get with you when we're on the water. Be right back.
Rub your hand like this.
All right, we're on the boat with Aaron, Churning Waters Guide Service. He's just gave Caleb a lucky fish rock to rub, and I think I'll rub it too, but right here. Got to do both hands. You ready to fish, bud?
Yes.
All right. Well, like I said, I don't know what we're doing. We could troll, we could cast, we could jig. It's up to Aaron to get us on some fish, so hang in tight with us.
Oh, no. If you get inside that blue line right there,
All right.
that's shallow and there's weeds right here.
Right. Well, we are starting off by jigging first. First time I've ever jigged for muskies, so this is a learning experience for me, but looking at the electronics and what we're going to be using, I mean, maybe I'll be able to duplicate it on the pontoon boat. Who knows? But we'll see. All right, Caleb is jigging. What do you think about this, bud?
How old are you?
I'm going to be 12 on Friday.
Oh my gosh.
Let's set the hook on one, bud.
Hopefully.
Let's get a husky musky today. You want to? You know what that is, don't you?
A big one.
50 inch.
No, husky musky just over 20 pounds.
Oh, it is?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Over 20 pounds.
Yep.
Nice. All right, let's continue to fish.
The hook. I dropped it down, hit free spool, reeled up, and the rod went.
Well, we have got all kinds of bait fish going on down here. We've marked some muskies also. So this is just a mid-morning update. Caleb's still jigging. Keep after it, bud. All right, we're jigging now, or trolling. Jigging didn't quite work out, but 3 rods in the water. You think this is it now, bud? You sure?
Yep.
All right. Let's get a fish on then. All right, we've trolled for about 3 hours now. No success on the trolling. We've changed depths. Sorry about that. We've changed depths, colors, and speeds. Now we're back to jigging. We're getting ready to get on a spot where we marked some big fish in about 28 feet of water, I imagine. But we want to see what can happen. So stick in there with us.
Doing, Dad?
All right, Isaac's on the boat now. This is
6 or 7 hours of musky fishing time. So,
I had a good rest. Got up at 12:30.
lazy.
What? I want to have a good night's rest.
I hear. I know
so
you
I
had
could
a
be
good
awake.
night. All right. Well, let's hope we get on one here before long. So
Get a good 14 hours of sleep.
there you go. Nothing wrong with that. All right. What are we going to start out with now, Aaron?
Fly trolling.
All right. We're going to start out trolling, and we'll see what happens. All right. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Don't give him any slack, bud.
I need it. You reel like crazy.
Reel like crazy. Musky on, baby.
Good fish too. Reel that sucker in, buddy. You keep that rod tip up. Keep that rod tip up.
Keep fighting, bud. Keep fighting.
Keep fighting.
Keep fighting.
All right, I'll start slowing down here. Reel, 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 reel. Don't drop that rod. Don't drop that rod. Keep that rod right there. Drop that rod. Lift that rod up. Start slowing down a little bit here. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, that's a big fish, son.
Come on.
That's a big
Reel,
fish.
reel, reel,
Reel,
reel.
son. Yeah, baby. Boom.
I tried to get it between my legs.
All right, now hold on, hold on. Hold on. Stay with me here 1 second, guys. I've got
Another line.
this other line here in this fish, which is fine.
All right, get ready.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
Holy.
you want me to move this chair for you, Aaron?
No.
I heard it.
Do you want me to hold this fish for you? We'll take the picture together.
Yeah.
I don't want you getting hurt. That's
All right.
woo.
Whew. I tried to get it between my legs and the rod so I could.
He was fighting it good. Good job, buddy. I'm not trying to yelp at nobody. I get excited.
Yeah.
I want you guys to catch fish. That's all.
Oh. My arms are like that.
Come on.
Get this thing out of the net here, and I'll show you some video.
What I'm gonna do, have you come sit back here. When you take this picture, are you gonna take pictures?
Yes,
Video.
I
Take
got
pictures.
video right now.
Okay, make sure that when you do the pictures, you
Yeah.
get the tail to head in the frame. You know what I mean?
Okay, yep.
And then kind of get in it and get above it so we can't see anything behind us.
I understand. All right.
This is a beautiful, beautiful fish. He's an orange color variation and he's spotted barb. He is beautiful.
What do you think, bud?
My arms are dead. My muscles.
Come on. This is why I don't want you guys to handle them, because they're so stinking ornery this year. They're strong and they're feisty, and they've been tearing stuff up. Come on.
Can we hold the net down?
Nope, I got her, buddy. Melody, I can't grab this fish. He won't let me.
Some cool stuff here.
Oh, put that net down. Put that net.
There he goes.
There he goes.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
You gotta hold him here to release him. That's a nice fish, man. That thing's beautiful. Come on, Bubba.
There he goes. Jackpot, buddy. Boom. Good job, son. Muskie number 2, baby.
Turn that key off on me right here.
Muskie number 2.
This is a strong one.
Yeah.
This is definitely a strong one.
Rod tip up, bud. Is this your 50?
Reel it. You just keep reeling.
Is this your 50, bud?
Now keep him on the left. Keep him on the left. Keep him over here. Come up over here. Pull that rock tip up. Keep reeling. one right there. Keep reeling, keep reeling. He's getting underneath the boat.
Don't let him get under the boat.
You got a reel, buddy.
Got a reel. Reel.
You got a
Reel, 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 reel.
He's underneath the boat. All right, now stop. There he is.
Holy
Bring
smokes.
him around here. Bring him around here.
Holy smokes.
That's a big one there.
Boom, baby. Boom.
There's a 44.
Boom, baby.
There's a
Yes. Yes.
There's a husky.
Are we saying this could be a 20-pounder or better?
It's over 20.
Over 20. Yes. Boom. Woo, that's what I'm talking about.
Smoke. Oh man.
Let's get this thing, let's get some video of this thing in the net.
Grab my phone for me, please.
Holy smokes. That's a biggin', 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 biggin'.
All right, we gotta get him on.
All right, fish number 2. That is awesome, buddy. What do you think that is,
That's a
Aaron?
big one, 43 inches. That fish is pushing 25 pounds, though. He's got that real thick back on him.
Look at that.
But let's
Look
get him
at
back
that.
in the water here.
All right, let's get the release.
That is a big, thick, heavy fish, man. Look at the shoulders on that thing. Holy mackerel.
Yes.
Let me take this.
Nope, leave it right there. You're good.
Okay.
Get out of the glare of the sun.
That is a slob. Look at that thing.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
I want to touch him.
Come on over here.
Yes. Good.
Don't rub them too much. You don't rub the slime off them things. That's what hurts them.
That's good stuff there, bud. Hey, give me some. Give me some. Boom, number 2, baby.
There's a husky right there. That fish is pushing 25 pounds.
Good job, son.
Go wash off the.
Well, look who's back. Caleb.
Come on, princess, smile.
Since Isaac caught 2 fish within 15 minutes, Isaac done something awesome. He said, call Caleb, get him back on the boat, let him take the rest of my spot so he can get some muskie also. So that's what we're gonna do. And buddy, I think we gotta figure it out. You ready to catch them? You sure? All right, we're gonna do it. Hey, that'll teach you from sleeping on the boat.
Hey, look at that guy.
I knew
That
it.
thing,
Got
you
a-
reel like crazy, boy. You reel
Got a
like crazy.
fish on, baby. Fight him, son. I mean, we're
You on
talking at the last hour.
You on there?
I don't know. I can't feel anything. There's
He's
no.
on there. He's on there. He's coming. Reel, reel, reel.
Let's go.
I mean, at the last hour.
He's
Oh,
on
he's
there.
on there.
Oh, yeah, he's on there.
He's on there. Yes.
I didn't set the clicker. I heard the rod. All right, slow down, slow down. Bring him up here.
Oh, he's on there.
All right, just hold on. He's right here. He's right here. I got him.
Oh! Boom, baby!
Oh,
Last
the hook is out.
That's beautiful.
minute, baby.
I told you I'd get you one, boy. I didn't set the clicker. All right,
Oh my
I
God!
heard the rod. I heard the rod kept going in the water like that. I'm going, what is that?
Oh my
I looked back and I
gosh!
grabbed that rod because I didn't set the clicker apparently. 15 down.
Boom,
9:39.
baby! Woo!
Sorry, we didn't get to hear that clicker go off. That would have woke us up.
Yes, it would have.
Hey,
Oh my.
you better thank Isaac for letting you come out here, or he would have had a 3-fish day. Let's see this mama jam.
There's no fish in the net.
All right,
Oh, yep. There he is.
he's in there. All right,
He's in there, right there.
the bait's out.
The bait come out right at the end.
Like, if you would have got that first net, he was gone.
I told you, keep the faith, boy. I'll get you one.
Like, I didn't even hear anything.
I
You were
heard the rod, like it hit the water, then it stopped, and it hit the water again, and I look back and it's going like that, and I'm going, oh, it's a fish. I didn't set the clicker apparently.
And he's like, find it. And I'm like, oh, okay.
What color?
Ah.
Which one is it?
It's the black face.
Yep.
It's a blackface, boys.
All right, we got to see this. So I'm gonna try to get some pictures here in just a second. All right,
Okay, you ready?
Yep,
Yeah.
I'm video.
Sit down right there.
Sit down.
Get ready for a picture. That's
Yep.
That's bigger than what I thought. He's 37, 38.
Yes. Yes, sit down there. That'll work.
There, let him go for a second.
Absolutely.
Now put your hands on.
Absolutely. Right here at the end. Good job. Aaron, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Your measure?
Wow. We got it done here at the last hour. I mean,
Look how thick he is.
beautiful.
That's a spotted barred. That's a spotted barred muskie right there. Look at the colors on his head right there.
Yes,
The iridescence.
look at that.
These things are beautiful. Love these things.
Yes.
All
All right.
He's 37, 38.
I'm
Good.
still videoing, so.
Goodbye, fish.
I'll give him the old Johnny 2-tap here in a second.
All right.
See, he's kind of wanting to go already. See that?
Yeah.
But he'll swim up on the top. We don't want him to do that, especially in the dark.
All right. I'm
See,
gonna.
he's wanting to swim already, so watch.
We're getting ready. Go.
Right between the eyes. Where's he at?
Give me some,
Let's
son.
go.
Boom. That's what I'm talking about. We'll get this outro done once we get to shore.
Now we can go home, baby.
Go.
Wow. If you guys want to learn how to musky fish, go check out Aaron at Churning Waters Guide Services
And bait company.
Well, turned out to be pretty crazy. Isaac got 2 in the boat. Me, last loop around.
Last minute.
Yeah, last legit minute. I get hooked up, get him in the boat. It was crazy. Tired, sleepy,
Yeah.
don't know what else to say.
14 hours today. These boys have absolutely fished their butts off. Aaron, thank you, man. I
Just get
appreciate
one.
it.
One.
Hey, you know, that's 3 fish day.
Yeah.
14 and a half hour, 13 and a
We
half hours.
haven't got 3 fish in the entire time we've been a West Branch.
Nuh-uh.
Here comes Aaron right now. He's pulling out of the water, but we're going to be signing off. But man, thank you again. Go check him out. Churning Waters Guide Service and Churning Waters Bait Company. He makes some awesome spinner baits and buzz baits. So go check him out. Like him on Instagram. If I can do all this stuff, I'll link it in the description below. But thanks again for watching, and smash that subscribe button. And always remember,
No matter what the season, we got you in our sights.
you got that right. Y'all be good.